Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring modern stair steel grille designs that add both safety and style to your home. Stair grilles are more than just a protective barrier. They give your staircase a bold look, ensure safety for kids and elders, and instantly elevate the interior design of your space. Let's look at some popular options. Simple horizontal bars. Sleek, minimal, and perfect for modern homes. Vertical rods, strong and safe, giving a classic, timeless appeal. Geometric patterns, squares, circles, or artistic cuts that make your staircase stand out as a centerpiece. Laser cut designs, highly detailed, offering unique patterns for luxury interiors. Glass plus steel combination, a modern blend that creates an open and stylish look. You can choose from polished steel, matte black, golden coating, or even wooden accents with steel for a designer touch. So, whether you prefer simple elegance or bold patterns, steel stair grilles are the perfect mix of safety and sophistication. They're durable, easy to maintain, and a true statement piece for any home. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing home design ideas.